Hey everyone, welcome back to Life Like This. Today, we're diving into a powerful topic that can change your life: how to be the best version of yourself. If you're ready to unlock your full potential and live your best life, keep watching. Let's get started. First things first, know yourself. Self-awareness is the foundation of personal growth. Spend time reflecting on your strengths, weaknesses, passions, and values. Understanding who you are and what drives you will help you make decisions that align with your true self. Remember, it's a journey of discovery, not a destination. Next, set clear and achievable goals. Whether it's in your career, relationships, or personal development, having a clear vision of what you want to achieve gives you direction and purpose. Break your goals down into smaller, actionable steps. Clarity in your goals brings clarity in your actions. Embrace a growth mindset. This means believing that your abilities and intelligence can be developed with effort and persistence. Instead of seeing challenges as obstacles, view them as opportunities to learn and grow. Growth happens outside of your comfort zone. Take action. It's not enough to just set goals, you need to take consistent, intentional steps towards achieving them. Don't wait for the perfect moment, start now and adjust as you go. Action fuels progress. Surround yourself with positivity. The people you spend time with and the environment you immerse yourself in greatly influence your mindset and motivation. Seek out supportive friends, mentors, and communities that uplift and inspire you. Positive vibes, positive life. Practice self-care. Taking care of your physical, mental, and emotional well-being is crucial for sustained growth. This includes getting enough sleep, eating nutritious foods, exercising, and taking time for relaxation and hobbies. Self-care isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. Finally, regularly reflect on your progress and adjust your actions as needed. Life is dynamic, and your goals and strategies might need to evolve over time. Don't be afraid to reassess and recalibrate your path. Flexibility and reflection are keys to sustained growth. And there you have it, 7 steps to being the best version of yourself. Remember, it's a continuous journey of growth and self-discovery. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on personal development and living your best life. What steps are you taking to be the best you? Share in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.